All right, so I've started a new trader career path with EARN2TRADE. Basically, you need to have a profit of 1,750. They have the end of day drawdown. Make sure to always watch your max daily loss limit. And I'm going to get back to the progression ladder a bit later. As you all know, they have this $99 gauntlet for the 50K evaluation running at the moment, which seems to be a very good offer if you compare to several other firms. So I made a couple of trades today. I think I was able to capture a couple of good runners on micros. Basically looked for small little short area here on the ES and on the MES. I'm actually planning to really trade mostly the micros with this evaluation. I'll try to update you guys as well. I think trading the micros with this kind of evaluation will be ideal for me because there's also that daily loss of $550 that you really have to make sure to not go over. The progression ladder is something that also is important. I will generally try not to go over 10 micros because with the initial amount you could only trade up to 2 minis, which is approximately 20 micros. So I just wanted to validate how choppy this market has been in the last couple of days, especially been spending a lot of time near the opening range. It's been really difficult to capture some, momentum trades. So I think the ideal scenario was to really leg into a couple of micros, especially with the momentum that had shifted a lot. I just wanted to give you guys this heads up. I think EARN2TRADE is a pretty good prop firm where you could definitely have a live account, sim account, and be able to trade with the market depth that is also included. You don't have to pay additional fees. So I've got a couple of trades on the trader career path today. I tried to really keep it low risk, not willing to take huge risk, especially with this choppy mode market that we've been having in the last several days. I think you guys are also aware of the differences between the trader career path and the gauntlet mini. There you have the live sim and live accounts, so make sure to look into that, and don't feel free to go in and hit the link that I'm providing here below so you guys can have more information on that. You really have to be careful with the daily loss limit and the progression ladder with EARN2TRADE. All that really matters is to go get a couple of good trades per day. That's what I'm planning to do, and hopefully it will work out. So I was in this long, and then I kind of wanted to really dump that trade, scratch it, and convert back into a short position because I was noticing YM and Nasdaq also were moving lower, especially that slow grind lower where Nasdaq comes back up. What is it? 10-15 ticks and comes back right and continues going down again. That's the kind of little hint that gives me a clue that this market wasn't really ready to move higher. So I scaled in a couple of shorts on the micros here with MES, and then the market just started dumping with some momentum, especially Nasdaq leading the way. So I was able to capture a couple of good trades like that. Even with the choppy mode that we've been in the last several days. So EARN2TRADE also has the maintain consistency rule, which is important to make sure you should not have any day that goes over, that has more than 30% of the profit for the evaluation. So I think the best thing is to go get, what is it? You need 1,750 as a profit. You would have to try not to have one day that's more than like $500 of gains. And I think the ideal scenario to trade it for 15 days is to go get, $200, $300 per day on this evaluation, and also go get, 15 days of trading. I think the profit goal is very decent, and I'm trying to update a couple of times throughout the next few weeks to see how I could go on with this evaluation. All right, so don't hesitate to look into the links below, and hope this helps.